Low carb chicken bacon ranch casserole. I chopped up 3 large chicken breasts. We're going to start with putting these on the bottom of our 9x13 baking dish. Go ahead and get those spread around the bottom. You don't have to do it perfectly. And then once they're on the bottom there, we're going to throw some olive oil over the top. Get that tossed in the olive oil. Just try to get it all covered. This is a great recipe if you're trying to do low carb these days, but you're not trying to skimp on flavor. Once you have that tossed in the oil, go ahead and we're going to throw some paprika over our chicken. Just get all the chicken covered in paprika. Go. Get that tossed so it's all covered thoroughly. All right, once you have that nice and tossed, it's time to make our cheese mixture. We're going to start with 8 ounces of melted cream cheese. We're going to throw in 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and we're going to throw our seasonings in there. We're going to do salt, pepper, as I'm sure you guessed, garlic powder, onion powder, and dried parsley. Very important for making that ranch type flavor in here. Get that mixed together before we add one more thing to our little mixture right here. Once you have about halfway mixed, we're going to throw in about 4 to 5 pieces of bacon that we chopped up, already cooked. Mix that into there. All right. Now that we got that nice and mixed together, let's bring our chicken back over. We're going to put this mixture over the top of our chicken. Just try to kind of evenly distribute it. It's going to come out in clumps, and then we'll spread it around the top. All right, and then just try to get that evenly spread over the top of our chicken here. I can already tell it's going to be good. All right, got that nice spread evenly over the top. And final step, we're going to throw some Fiesta blend cheese over the top, about 1 cup or 2 cups depending on how much cheese you want on top. Cheese is always a subjective thing, it seems. All right, we got our cheese nice and over the top, and then we have another 4 to 5 pieces of bacon that we chopped up that we're throwing on the top here. Just kind of get that spread around. This is gonna be a good one. I can't believe this is low carb too. This is awesome. All right, y'all, so we got the oven preheated to 375. We're gonna throw it in there for 35 to 45 minutes, and it should be ready. Let's take a look. Look at that thing. It is bubbling. Oh my goodness. That looks like it might be one of the best looking things I've ever made on this channel. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Oh my
Look at that bubbling.
Yeah. My stomach about to be bubbling. All right, y'all, I've let it cool down, and it's time to try this baby. Yeah, it's like the perfect piece right there. Look at that. Bless you, sweetie. Our daughter's making a guest appearance today. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Oh, yeah, gotta get this. Gotta get this stuff. Yeah, here. Gotta get the bacon on there. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. Whoa. Y'all, this is really good. I'm not fronting at all. This is so good. If you're doing low carb, or if you, I mean, whether you're doing low carb or not, this is really good. Like, this is worth a try at home. Like, if you've tried any of the stuff that I've made on this channel, you should try this. Just trust me. Trust me.